So now we're going to fill up our hose with water. Make sure that one side is lower than the other side so the water can go down into the hose. Best thing is to lay it down on the bottom and wait until the water comes out here, then you know it's full. Okay, here we are. Hello. We can hold the holes in place with some tape. Water level is right here. So we match up the water level with the height that we want to use. We can use tape or we can use a pin to hold it in there. Our water level is right here. So we line up the water level with our pin in there. And now we go wherever we need to hang something else. Just we go to where we want to hang at the same level. Wait until the water is going up, because the water is coming up and down and it moves. You have to wait until it's steady. And then we look at the water level, and it's right here, and we just mark. We can go wherever we want with our level here. Here's another one. We can go on the other side of the wall. Wait until it stops moving. Right here. And go here. Just wait until it stops moving. That's it right here. Check one more here. Okay. So they're all at the same level now. That's it.